Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to set a video as a screensaver on Windows 10 PC. For this, you need to download and install Push Video Wallpaper software. That link you can find in this video description. After downloading this one application, install it on your Windows 10 PC and then it should automatically set a video or zip as a screensaver on your PC. In case it does not set a video as a screensaver, just click on this one a start menu and here search for a screen saver and then you will find an option set as a screensaver. Click on this one option. This will set push video wallpaper as a screensaver. You will see here option push video a screensaver in the drop down menu of a screensaver. To configure it more, click on this one settings option. This will show a preview of a zip file or a video file. By default, you can click on this one icon to upload a video from your PC that you want to set as a desktop background. Just select a video from your PC and click on this one add to playlist. This will show a video of your choice in this one playlist and you can set it as a wallpaper by clicking on that video. It will be immediately applied as a screensaver on your PC. Here you can click on this one icon to add a video from URL. Suppose you love a video from YouTube, just copy that video URL and paste it here and click on this one add to playlist to add that video in this one playlist. And after that you can select that video to make it as a screensaver on your Windows 10 PC. It also supports zip file. In case you have a zip file, you can set it as your Windows 10 screensaver. This one option is for this one option that you can see as like a magnifying glass. You can use this option to visit this one library where you can find several small videos and zips file that you can set as a screensaver on your Windows 10 PC. In case you want to remove any video from the playlist, just select that video and click on this one minus icon. This will remove that particular video from this one playlist. You can mute the sound from the you can mute the sound of the screensaver. You can select next or previous. You can pause and access this one settings option from this one software push video wallpaper software. After configuring this one option, you can select a wait time in minutes. After how much minutes a screensaver should start. You can also select this one option on resume display login screen. Just select this one option and click on this one apply button and then OK button. Once that time will elapse, you will see a beautiful screensaver on your Windows 10 PC. Just wait and watch for a few more seconds and you will see a beautiful screensaver on my Windows 10 PC. In case you want to preview this one a screensaver, you can do that. I will show you without any waiting. A screen saver, go to this one a screensaver option and here click on this one preview and you will see like this on your Windows 10 PC. You can set any movie, any video of your choice as a desktop a screensaver for your PC. That's all about this video. If you love this video, press thumbs up. Bye bye.